So we're moving to statement. Statement refers to customer's account statement. So what we're going to do to see how this works, let's just select all statement from, let's say, January. So you're going to see how this appears from January till on the 12th of May, and when we click on search, it is going to bring out the statement of all our customers. So you can see that this customer had an owed balance. It was owing us 10,000. What this means, it has an owed balance of minus 10,000. That means he was owing us 10,000 and he made a deposit of 10,000 to cancel up his 10,000 owed. This was owing us 1,500 and he has paid. So you can see the deposit amount that each of these customers made. Now, for easy comprehension or understanding, I am going to be depositing I'm going to be making a deposit, so you see how this is going to work. So let's go over to our dashboard. Then I'll select Samuel using JT65. I'll search him out. So we have selected Samuel. You can see that Samuel has a balance of 62 naira. So let's assume he wants to deposit, because the software allows your customers to make deposits even when they are not purchasing any item, and that deposit that was made can either be used for subsequent transaction, or it is going to if they are owing any outstanding money from all transactions they've done, the software automatically subtracts the money owed by these customers. So at this point in time, we're adding deposit, and Samuel is adding a deposit. Let's assume he's adding a deposit of 7,000. So he's paying 7,000 into his account. If I click on save, it is going to register that. You can see that deposit is successful. So if I come over here and select Samuel JT65, and I click on search, you can now see that his account balance has been upped from 62 naira to 7,062 naira. So the 7,000 he deposited is now reflecting in his account balance. Since he is not owing us any money, that is why the 7,000 is reflecting. I wish he had an outstanding money to pay, it is going to subtract that money. If you now come to credit paid, you can now see that 7,000 that was paid in by Samuel is now reflecting here as credit paid for today. Haven't made that deposit for Samuel. If we now open our report and come down to statement, then I'll select account number. Then I can enter his account number, JT65 here. I select the date range, maybe from on the 1st to on the 13th, since I'm entering that deposit on the 13th. If I click on search customer, you can now see that it has brought out the account statement for Samuel. Here's the name, this is his account number. The invoice, the last invoice was this owed balance. He has a balance of 62 naira and he made a deposit of 7,000. I wish he was owing any money. The system automatically will subtract his debt from the money he's paying, and that is going to reflect here. So since he has a positive amount of 62 naira, this will now be added to his balance. So this is how you can view customers' account statement. In case there are arguments, this is how you can see what has happened to a customer's account. And you can now see that the date, the time the deposit was made is going to be captured, how much he was owing, what was his balance before the deposit, was it a positive balance or a negative balance. Everything is going to appear on this report.
Features. Track multiple customer orders efficiently. Provide clear invoices. Charge per item. Store customer details. Offer repeat service discounts. Accept cash, POS, transfers, check. Manage costs and monitor revenue growth. You can choose between the offline and online version. You can access it on your phones. Monitor the general activities of your business from the admin panel. Perform backup and restore and lots more. Get a customized quote today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe now for more software demos. Contact us for pricing and demo. YouTube, JTECHNOLOGY Solutions. WhatsApp, +2348130441827. Email, jtechnologysolutions@gmail.com. Facebook, JTECHNOLOGY Solutions. Don't wait, take your business to the next level with JTPOS software.